10-minute exercise, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, 10 rounds. Short on time, do one. More time, do a couple. Let's start. Remember, no pain. Next exercise, prone plank with alternating arm raise. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Straight body and a light weight. Only move as far as you feel comfortable. No pain. You can't control how you feel, but you can control how you act. Halfway through. The best things for your health are lifting and loving. Exercise boosts dopamine and makes you happier. 10 more seconds. You can do this. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, bilateral bicep curl to a military press. 3, 2, 1, start working. Pull the tummy tight, stay in control. If it doesn't feel right, then do something easier. Don't should all over yourself, just do it. Halfway through. Being fit means exercise every day. Make the commitment. Exercise helps you cope with stress. 10 more seconds. Almost there. Doing great. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, T rotation with the weight. 3, 2, 1, start working. Keep your body straight. Lift with control. Even no weight works. Lift your arm, work your core. Remember, no pain. Courage changes your behavior and makes you better. Halfway through. Daily exercise is as much a part of life as brushing your teeth and wearing clean underwear. Exercise boosts your self-confidence. 10 more seconds. Couple more reps. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, bent over rows. 3, 2, 1, start working. Leaning over, bring your elbows back. No pain, comfortable tension. Either you run your brain or somebody else will. Halfway through. One day I will not be able to do this, but today is not that day. Exercise reduces your risk of injury, so get out there. 10 more seconds. Remember why you're here. Dig deep. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, down dog, pike, push-ups. 3, 2, 1, start working. Small movements are easier, stay comfortable. Only push yourself a little at a time. Give yourself time to adjust. Courage to start doesn't mean success. Courage to start means change. Halfway through. I don't need an easy life. I need the strength to get through my difficult life. Exercise is good for muscles and your brain. 10 more seconds. Finish strong, almost there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, unilateral right shoulder abduction with single leg balance on the left. 3, 2, 1, start working. Turn your palm up as you lift your arm. Single leg is harder. Barefoot exercises works more of the foot and ankle muscles, but go slow and build up. Go the extra mile. Push yourself. It's totally worth it. Halfway through. Focus, persevere. There is no abiding success without commitment. Exercise reduces anxiety. 10 more seconds. Hard work wins every time. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, unilateral left shoulder abduction with single leg balance on the right. 3, 2, 1, start working. Turn your palm up as you lift your arm. Single leg is harder. Keep a tall, upright posture. Don't sag down. Start each day with one positive goal or idea and go for it. Halfway through. Don't be hard on yourself. There are enough jerks in the world for that. Be nice to yourself. Exercise helps you make more creative ideas. 10 more seconds. Follow your dreams. Do this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, push-ups. 3, 2, 1, start working. Keep your body straight. Don't sag down. Quality over quantity. Stay in control of your movement. Rest if you need to. When the alarm goes off, get out of bed. You snooze, you lose. Halfway through. I don't always know why, but I follow my heart and just do it. Exercise helps improve your memory. 10 more seconds. You got this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, Statue of Liberty on the right with single leg balance on the left. 3, 2, 1, start working. Reach down and across, then torch up high. Go as far as you feel comfortable, no pain. Social media is not real life. Forget your phone and talk to people. Halfway through. Problems are temporary, they're localized, and they're not that bad. Exercise boosts your immune system. 10 more seconds. One more round after this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Last exercise, Statue of Liberty on the left with single leg balance on the right. 3, 2, 1, start working. Bend your leg and back too. Work your whole body. If you're really sore tomorrow, then you did too much. Forgive others. Forgive yourself. We all struggle with something. Halfway through. Get dashed on the rocks or go with the flow. Life's all about change. Exercise makes everything in life easier. 10 more seconds. Well done. I'm proud of you. 3, 2, 1, rest. Well done. Thanks for doing 10-minute exercise. Do another routine here, or I'll see you tomorrow. Keep the momentum going. Do something every day, pain-free. Let me know what you think. Peace.